In this question, the value of p is a rational number. So first, we got to check what m plus 1 by n is. M is minus 11 plus 1 by 4 is equal to minus 10 by 4, which is equal to minus 5 by 10. So this is not an integer. So next case, what you do is you add the value of p to this. If m plus 1 by n is an integer, you go to the previous process. So if m plus 1 by n is not an integer, you add the value of p here. So the value of p is minus half. So if you add a minus half here, you get minus 3, which is an integer. So if m plus 1 by n plus p is an integer, then the substitution is that 1 plus x power 4 by 4. Sorry, 1 plus x power 4 by x power 4 is equal to t. This will be the valid substitution. So this implies 1 by x power 4 plus 1 is equal to t. This implies if you differentiate this, minus 4 by x power 5 dx is equal to dt. So if you do the integration, you get x power minus 11. Sorry, 1 plus x power 4 by x power 4 is equal to t power the denominator of this. I have to put t square. So 2t dt. So dt times 2t. So 1 plus x power 4 is equal to x power 4 times t square. So t square x power 4 times minus half, and dx is equal to 2t dt times x power 5 by minus 4. Sorry, dt. So now that you have minus 1 by 4 times integration of x power minus 11, x power 5 is x power minus 6 into t square whole power minus half is t power minus 1. X power 4 whole power minus half is x power minus 2 into 2t dt. That is equal to minus 1 by 4 times integration of t and t power minus 1 are getting cancelled. So 2x power minus 8 dt and 1 by x power 4 is equal to, so 1 by x power 4. So this is t square. So 1 by x power 4 is equal to t square minus 1. That implies x power minus 4 is equal to t square minus 1. So x power minus 8 is equal to t square minus 1 whole square. So x power minus 8. So minus 1 by 2 integration of t square minus 1 whole square dt. That is equal to integration of minus half t power 4 minus 2t square plus 1 dt. That is equal to minus half times t power 5 by 5 minus 2t cube by 3 plus t plus c. And once the integration is done, you just need to substitute the integration. Just need to substitute t is equal to 1 plus x power 4 by x power 4 whole power half. So this is how you solve the questions of the type x power n times 1 plus x power n whole power p.